Hello everybody, welcome to my oil painting channel. I'm Pete Bain and today we're going to talk about framing and how to place a stretch canvas into a floater frame. Now this is a floater frame from a company called Ampersand, which makes a wonderful product. I really love to use them because it's high quality, they provide great instructions, all the materials you need to put your painting into the frame, to wire it and so forth. And floater frames are great for your art because they are minimalistic, contemporary, and they really let your artwork speak for itself. So the only issue that we sometimes find with using floater frames is that the stretched canvas or the panel needs a little extra height to sit flush with the surface of the frame. So to make that possible, Ampersand provides these little wooden blocks which we can affix to the back of our panels or stretched canvas. So that's something we'll be doing today. All right, why don't we get started? Here's a quick look at the materials we'll be using. The floater frame, the painting, a set of blocks. You can make these yourself or Ampersand provides several with each frame. We'll need 4 wood screws and an electric drill. Ampersand provides hanging wire and screws with eyes and rubber bumpers to assist with the hanging of the painting. And finally, we'll need some wood glue. I wanted to show you the issue that we're dealing with. There's really a wide range of depths of painting surfaces we use, anything from 1/8 of an inch thick wood panels to 1.5 inch thick stretched canvas. Additionally, floater frames come in a variety of depths. So we need to find a way to match the painting depth to the frame depth. And that's where these wooden blocks come into play. You'll need to find the right orientation and combination of blocks to make your painting fit with your frame. I've found in this instance that I need 2 blocks. Once we find this proper set of blocks to use to keep the painting flush with the frame, we'll use some wood glue to attach them together and also to attach them directly to the painting. Wood glue creates a very strong bond, and it's plenty strong enough to hold up a painting that weighs just a few ounces. I do recommend 2 coats of wood glue because the wood is so porous and it soaks up so much glue. I think it creates a better bond to have a second coat. Generally, I give the glue about 20 or 30 minutes to dry between all of these coats. And once the blocks are built, I can then attach them directly to the back of the painting. I attach my blocks directly to the canvas that overlaps the stretcher bars. This painting is small and light, and I really have no concerns about the bond here. But for medium to large paintings, anything over, say, 16 by 20 inches, I would make sure to fix the blocks with screws. Okay, the blocks are firmly attached to the painting. We are now ready to fit the painting into the frame. And we encounter our next challenge, how to ensure that the gap between the painting and the frame is even all the way around. Some painters fit wedges into this gap and then try to screw the painting into the frame. I found that a little clumsy. I found the easiest method is to simply glue it into place and align the painting while the glue is still wet. A heavy book on top of the painting while the glue dries can ensure a really strong bond. For me, this is the best method to ensure that I've got a nice, even gap on all 4 sides of the painting. Now I'm finally ready to fix the painting into the frame using the wood screws. Be sure to support the painting underneath with your fingers so that the force of the driven screw doesn't dislodge the painting from its glued position. I've forgotten to do this myself several times, and it can be pretty aggravating when your painting pops out of the frame and you have to re-glue it. You're now ready to attach the rubber bumpers to the lower corners of the frame and wire it up for hanging. Well, that's how we assemble a floater frame with a canvas that is not tall enough. There are workarounds for it, and if you use the Ampersand product or something similar, you'll be really happy with the results. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.